Hello friends, welcome to my channel, TechGetter Official. In this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook on PC and laptop. First, open your browser and log into your Facebook account. Here's my home feed as you can see. Now, go to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click Settings and Privacy, then select. On the left-hand side, go to the Privacy, and then click on Blocking. This will take you to the blocking settings page. Scroll down to the section called Block Users. Here, you'll see a list of people you've previously blocked. Click on Edit, or See Your Blocked List, depending on your screen layout. Find the person you want to unblock, and then click the Unblock button next to their name. A confirmation box will appear. Just click Confirm. And that's it. The person has now been unblocked from your Facebook account. Thanks for watching. You don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechGetter Official.